Hello everyone. Today we'll start Python fundamentals. In previous two videos of getting started with Python, we have discussed about a program and the programming language. The importance of programming language, how to be a programmer, the importance of a programmer in day-to-day life, and what was the advantages and disadvantages of using Python. How it is a comparative study of C++ and Python. How it is beneficial as a programmer for you all. As a beginner of the programming language, dear students, we have to learn about the basics of a programming language. Basics I am telling you because a word is placed here. Programming language. So initially we'll focus upon this word language, not the programming. Language means whenever you have started to learn a language in initial classes, your kindergarten classes, primary classes, you learn to write, to speak Hindi and English language. What was the basic thing? Before starting or before learning, for learning that language, the basic thing. What was the initial thing? The initial thing was to learn its alphabet. सबसे पहले क्या किया? सबसे पहले लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए आपने उसकी अल्फाबेट लर्न की. When you learn the alphabet, what you did? You have started the practicing of writing those alphabets in your cursive writing book, the capital and small letters. You did a lot practice. Is it or not? So by that practice you were able to learn that particular alphabet. Once you learn that alphabet, what kind of characters we can use in English, what form of characters you will have to frame to make a particular character, how small a is generated, how capital A is made, means the formation of the character. When you learn, you were able to write the words. फिर आपने क्या किया? जब आप फॉर्मेशन लर्न कर गए, then after आप वर्ड्स को लिखने लायक बने. When you were able to write the words, then the teacher told you some of the syntax to frame the sentence. फिर आपकी टीचर ने आपको बताया कि सेंटेंस कैसे फ्रेम करते हैं और सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करने के लिए क्या क्या रूल्स हमें फॉलो करने चाहिए. Is it? So the same, you are here in the kindergarten of programming language at this stage. In the initial fundamentals, what I am going to teach you today, the alphabet. What kind of letters, what kind of alphabet or digits or symbols you can use in the programming language. Keep remember, I am not talking about programming now. I am talking about the language only. I am talking about Python language. I am not going to tell you how to make a program. No, it is a later thing. So be curious, be easy, and it is very easy to learn because you are grown up now. जब आप छोटे से थे and you were started learn English alphabet, it was very tough to design the letters for you. It was very tough. But now it is very easy. In this programming language, you will learn by using your already known language, that is English. हम कोई स्पेशल फ्रेंच और रशियन नहीं सीखने जा रहे हैं. We are going to learn the programming language which is applicable in whole the world. So initially I told you what is a program. The program was the set of instruction. that govern the processing, जो कि प्रोसेसिंग को कंट्रोल करता है. प्रोग्राम इज अ सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन विच टेल्स द कंप्यूटर हाउ टू प्रोसेस इट, कैसे प्रोसेस करना है. बेसिकली वी कैन से अ प्रोग्राम फॉर्म्स द बेस ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. 2 digits I am writing here, 453 and 327. It is to be 24. What we need to add them. If I told you to add orally, anyone can add this. 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 2 7 and 4 plus 3 7. Simple. Anyone can add it. 400 plus 300 700, 50 plus 20 is 70, 3 plus 4 is 7. Yani 400 plus 70 plus 7. Anyone can add 450 plus 320 is 770 plus 7. Is it or not? But every time the result is same, 777. If I am going to add it, it is 777. But what we did, what I told you different processes to add. Do you know which process is used in the computer? No, we don't know. But computer or calculator gives you the right answer, 777. Because you are the user, आपको नहीं पता था ये कि what is the process used by that particular calculator or computer. But here, being a programmer, after learning the language, you will be able to tell the computer कि what process to be used. It is to be used this process, or 400 plus 200 process, or 450 plus 250 process. And to learn the language, we have to learn first of all the alphabet. The alphabet of programming language, we can say the character set. The character set is a set of characters that a language can recognize. Means it is a set of characters which is recognized by Python, जो आप यूज कर सकते हो अपनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. A character here represents the letter, the digit, the symbol, white spaces and other characters. We'll discuss about these in this video. In letters we can write capital A to Z and small a to Z. In digits we can write 0 to 9 digits. Means all the alphabets of English and all the digits we can use. Symbols, many symbols we can use. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parenthesis, curly braces, square bracket, equal to, exclamation. This exclamation represents not, less than, greater than, single inverted comma, double inverted comma, colon, semicolon, percent. This is and symbol you are telling, but this is known as ampersand. This is ampersand symbol. This is a very important symbol. We will discuss it later. Ampersand symbol. Hash, @ underscore, space, etc. are telling you. Means more than this symbol we have to use. These are the special symbols we'll use frequently in our program. White space, blank space, tab, new line, etc. Tab means 4 space, you use tab. Blank spaces if I have given means not in a group of 4. 1 or 2 times when I press a space, I need to give blank spaces in between the words or anything else. New line, when you press enter, a new line character activates. A new line character. Others, all ASCII and Unicode symbols. Unicode characters. As a part of data or literals. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. These are given for all alphabet and digits and every symbol placed on your keyboard. I am telling you the ASCII codes for alphabet to you. For capital A to Z, the ASCII codes are 65 to 90. For small a to z, it is 97 to 122. For 0 to 9, it is 48 to 57. These are the ASCII values. A to Z, 65 to 90. Small a to z, 97 to 122. 0 to 9, 48 to 57. These ASCII values, when we press capital A, when we write capital A, it is transmitted in the form of digits as 65, and that 65 is converted into binary to understand by the computer. That we have already discussed in data representation chapter also. So this is whole the alphabet in the programming language. The character set. What are the things we have to use, we can use in our program. But a program is not only made by these things. We can say every individual character is having its unique name. It is having its characteristics, is having its categorization. That particular categorization is known as a token. As I have written here, tokens. It is also known as lexical unit. We'll discuss in detail about these tokens in the next video. Initially, I can tell you the smallest individual unit in a program is known as a token. अगर मैं कहीं डॉट भी प्लेस कर रहा हूँ एक प्रोग्राम में, that is also a token. कॉमा प्लेस कर रहा हूँ, it is also a token. मैं कोई वर्ड लिख रहा हूँ, इनपुट लिख रहा हूँ, प्रिंट लिख रहा हूँ, कोई वेरिएबल का यूज कर रहा हूँ, then everything is known as a token. And that can be categorized into 5 categories: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. इन्हीं 5 चीजों से मिलके सारा प्रोग्राम बनता है. Doesn't matter the program is having 5 lines, 50 lines, 500 lines or 5000 lines. आपके प्रोग्राम का साइज क्या है doesn't matter, but each and every program is made up of these 5 things. Using this character set, nothing else. हम पाइथन में प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में आगे जितना जो कुछ पढ़ेंगे in class 11 and in class 12 and later on, जितना जो कुछ आप पढ़ोगे, then everything will be made up of these 5 things using this character set. So most important is to know about the character set of the programming language, the language you are going to learn, and second is the basic structure. Any other program, I am telling you again, of any length is made up of these 5 things. That clear? So in next video we will discuss about tokens in detail. Till then, stay safe and be happy.